Let us now discuss set 4 of Super 6 questions from real numbers in this video. Let us quickly start without any further delay. And our first question is LCM of 50 and 108 is dash. This is the question and the answer is, and let us check how and why this is correct. Right, please pay good attention because this question is really going to help you to calculate LCM and HCF. See here, this is the given number and we can express it as 2 into 5 square. And this is the given number and we can express it as 2 square into 3 cube. Now to find LCM of these two numbers, first step is we have to write all the prime numbers which are there in these two numbers. So what are they? 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers which are there in these two numbers. Next, second step is for these prime numbers, means for 2, 3 and 5, we have to select their highest power. So to calculate LCM of 50 and 108, what we have to write is 2 square because square is the highest power of 2, 3 cube because 3 is the highest power of 3, and 5 square because 2 is the highest power of 5. So first step is what? We have to select prime numbers or prime factors. What are they? 2, 3, 5. And second step, we have to select their highest power. What are they? 2, 3, 2 are the highest powers of 2, 3, 5 numbers. Now, when you multiply, you will get 2700 as the LCM of these two numbers. And our next question is, and let us see the question. HCF of 50 and 108 is dash. In our previous question, we have calculated LCM. Now we are calculating HCF. The correct answer is, and see here very clearly on the screen. First and foremost thing is we will be expressing the given numbers as a product of their prime numbers. Now what we are going to calculate? HCF. For that what we have to do? We have to select only common prime factors. To calculate HCF, we have to select only common prime factors, first step. So in 50 and 108 we have 2 as the common prime factor. One thing. Step 2, we have to select lowest power of this 2. Here we have 2 to the power of 1. Here we have 2 to the power of 2. So what we have to select? We have to select 2 to the power of 1. So finally, HCF of these two numbers is equals to 2. Our next question is, and let us see the third question. Product of two numbers is 5400. If their LCM is 2700, then their HCF is dash. And the answer is, and let us check why and how it is correct. See here on the screen. We know that LCM into HCF of two numbers is equal to product of those two numbers. And in the question they have given LCM of those two numbers is 2700. HCF we are going to calculate, and product of those two numbers they have given 5400. So to find HCF, what shall we do is, let us transpose this 2700 towards right side. So after transposing and simplification, we will get 2 as our HCF for the given two numbers, or for the given question the HCF is 2. Our next question is, and let us see this fourth question. LCM of 24 and 45 is dash. The answer is, and let us check how and why this 360 is correct. First and foremost thing is we will be writing the given numbers as the product of their prime numbers. And you know that to calculate LCM, first we will write all the prime numbers which are there in these two numbers. So what are they? 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers which are there in 24 and 45. Now to calculate LCM of these two numbers, second step is we will select highest power. For 2 we have cube, for 3 highest power we have square, and 5 we don't have anything, means 1. So we can write 2 cube into 3 square into 5. What we have done? First we will select all the prime numbers. Next we will select highest powers. Then we will multiply. So we will get finally 360 as our LCM of these two numbers. Our next question is, and let us look at this fifth question. Product of 24 and 45 is dash. The answer is, And this is very simple question because it is a product of two numbers. But the reason for giving this question is this particular question is going to help our previous question and the next question. And if you want, you can see the explanation. Let us look at the last question from this set. And the question is dash is the HCF of 24 and 45. The correct answer is. And let us look at the explanation part. First, we will be writing the given numbers as the product of their prime factors. So this is what the first step. Second, what we are going to find? HCF. To find HCF, what we have to do? We have to select common prime numbers. So we have 3 as the common prime number in both 24 and 45. So first step is done. What is that? We have selected the common prime number and that is 3. Second, to calculate highest common factor, we have to select lowest power. So here we have 3 to the power of 1. Here we have 3 to the power of 2. And we have to select lowest power. So that is the reason we are selecting 3 to the power of 1 is nothing but 3. And this 3 is the highest common factor of 24 and 45. Congratulations to all the students for successfully completing all Super 6 questions.